Oh, look, he's back. The charmer, the snake in cologne, the man who returns like a bill you already paid. The man who swore he never needed me anyway suddenly shows up like a roach that survived the apocalypse. This is the Hoover. Polished, charming. The walking "Hey stranger" text message at 2:03 a.m. He remembers your softness, your empathy, and he thinks he can sip from your heart like a juice box again. He'll come in smiling, voice lowered. I've been thinking about you. But he's not here for closure. He's here for supply. Your reaction is the meal. Your forgiveness is the dessert. Lean in. You want to know what kills a Hoover faster than bug spray? Silence. No reply. No audience. Because nothing burns a narcissist more than realizing the person they thought they still owned outgrew that fucking cage. Welcome to the spiritual assassin, sweetheart. We don't slam doors. We weld those bitches shut.